Hi class, welcome to the beginning of another week. Just want to go through our weekly outline here with you quickly. Make sure we know where we're going for different assignments. A couple changes that you'll notice, actually the biggest one here, I've added this big bullet point right here. Click here to attend Zoom meetings. As we know now, we all have Zoom meetings that we must attend during our at-home school times. So if you click on this link right here really quickly, you guys will be taken directly into the Zoom meetings. You click open Zoom meetings and watch meetings. So I have simplified that process there for you. If you don't like using that, I will have the other options listed in the announcements on Monday. Getting into the assignments, again, we know that I'll have this posted here. You mostly clicked on that. When we get there, you're going to notice what's happening in environmental science, week 1026 to 1030. We've got nice picture Jim Tressel here with this good quote. I don't think of all the misery, but of all the beauty that still remains. Pretty good thing to think about or consider. Some of the general introductions here. For the next week or two, we're going to be discussing coevolution and how it occurs. We're going to be looking at the types of species interactions that are more likely to develop coevolution. Again, as we get into this, what you guys are mostly interested in, seniors, you have these assignments where you're at. I will mention this to you, at least for next week and continuing. You will have a bell ringer each day. This includes the days of the Zoom meetings. You will still have a bell ringer to complete. Also, please remember to attend the Zoom meetings on your scheduled day. That is at the bottom of the page. I have it listed here in case you did not remember. On to the assignments. You have 3 assignments. The personal niche restriction assignment, a coevolution reading assignment, and a coevolution podcast assignment. So if we come back here into our day here, click on modules. Again, it's very important to make sure that you're following through with that weekly outline. You see we always have multiple assignments up here. Personal niche restriction is the first one. If you click on this assignment here, you will be, now it's going to tell me it's restricted. Oh, there we go. Actually not. You're going to click on this Google Doc right here. And then you're going to open up this assignment. You're going to name something, and you'll see that I have the examples down here about my competition and how I restrict my niche to avoid competition with driving the car with my wife. When you are done with that assignment, you're going to click Submit, but if you've forgotten how to submit a Google Doc, I have also attached the video here so you can watch this and remember how to submit a Google Doc. Your other 2 assignments for the week are the reading assignment, and I do suggest that you complete them in these order. They'll make more sense to you. When you click on this reading assignment here, you may notice it does say locked on here, but the actual assignment is this quiz right here. Now this is new to us. I'm not going to go over the questions, but I want us to understand that the article that you're going to read is on the left. You will read through this article, and as you are reading through the article, the questions are over here on the right. When you're done answering all the questions, you click Submit. You should get an instant score. And if you don't like your score, you can retake the quiz as many times as necessary. And then the last assignment we have here is a coevolution podcast assignment. When you come to this assignment here, this one again is going to tell me it's locked, and that's fine. But on the other time, you'll see this here. You will have this link here. I will show you what it looks like in another space. So you'll have this video right here. You're going to click play.
Became possible, they faced a very unique problem.
And you're going to listen to this podcast. And as you're listening to the podcast, you will be answering these questions. The They're multiple choice. There's some true and false. They do go in order of the podcast. And again, you have as many chances as you'd like in order to get the highest score possible. As for juniors, let's take a look at your assignments. You have one. You will not have a bell ringer, but we will have this coevolution discussion post, juniors. When you come into discussions, you will see this assignment here. It's going to say it's locked, of course. So I'll leave student view for a second. Now, something different. I want us to make sure we understand this. There is a video, but the questions in play here are no longer some factual-based questions. They are related to, it says this, they are different. I'm not looking for correct or incorrect factual information. When you answer these questions, you need to use the information to give your thoughts and opinions on the question. So we're looking to see that you use the information to support your thoughts and opinions. This is much different. You still will be responsible for responding to your peers twice in this post. Okay, that covers all of our assignments. That covers the questions here. And again, if you need to follow up with your Zoom times, I'll have this information posted. Good luck.